Hi everyone, it's Life with Lila and I'm Lila, and today I'm going to be showing you something, but it's really dark because it's like 6 o'clock. It's 5:59 and it's not daylight saving, so it is not very light. But I want to show you that I got this fidget spinner today. It's yellow. It's not like the yellow what it looks like on my mom's phone. But the bit what I really like this and you might have seen these in my Smiggle. Really nice. Really nice. The towel. I had a ball, so I made my stomach. It's LED. It's what I call it for some reason, because that's what I heard. The first one, because there's a couple patterns, you'll know if you have one. It's this one. Oh my god! It looks cool in the camera. Like really, it looks different, and the back is just like that. Oh no, I forget it. And it's really cool. And they cost $10. I'm thinking about where I got mine. So you will know where I get it. It's like if you're at the Grove, there's like this shop and they sell like titty and they have fidget cubes there. They're like $10, but I got this one. And yeah, and now I'm going to show you the second one. Ah, come on, turn swap it. It's this one. Like that. There, at the bottom. Okay, now third thing it does 4. I'm pretty sure it's 4 or 3. I really like this one. So cool. It goes like this, like dot dot dot. It looks different on my mom's phone, but it's really cool. Okay, now I'm gonna spin it and look. I don't know if you're seeing that, but you know how you can see some dots. It's not really working, but seriously, so cool. And these and that it was one of my favorite patterns on it. Oh, yeah, that was the last one, and that was the last thing about this. I have little images. It does. My mom's phone doesn't want to show anything about the fidget. Little. I'll try to come out in the sun a bit more. The little fidget spinners, it's not showing it very well, but there is. So yeah, and wait, one more. And it's still, and it, come on! It does not just want to stay somewhere. And it looks really cool, this like white still. Be quiet. You can see that minion back there. Minion boy. He's so mean. Okay, so everyone, that was it for my LED fidget spinner. And no, it's about mine. You are. It was about mine. Bye everyone. Have a good